What is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. I'm tired as hell. Let me try this. Damn, the taco's messed up.
You can give it back.
That's what you wanted, the chicken tortilla soup. It's back.
I don't know if it tastes good, but I can try it, yes. So I'm going to get Ryan just the sandwich because he gave me like $2. So I'm not going to.
Yeah.
You're going to order yours separate, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get
macaroni?
Mac and cheese, I don't know what else.
Or the sandwich by itself isn't bad with the mac.
Yeah, because I can get anything at Walmart or... Well, I don't know. I might see. I know I'm gonna get the mac and cheese here. It's a bomb. Look at these old ladies over back here.
Chicken strips.
I want the...
It's gonna be 2 separate orders, ma'am. Can I have your 3-piece? Oh, okay. Can I have your 3-piece chicken strips?
The strips?
Yes.
The original or the spicy one?
Original.
Original, okay.
Yes. And then could I have
for your beverage?
for the beverage? Let's see. No, just the strips by themselves.
Okay. No fries, right?
Right.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. And then can I have the number 1?
A number 1 the meal?
Yes.
Okay. For the beverage for that one?
The beverage on that one, can you make it an iced tea?
A sweet tea, okay?
Yes.
Anything else?
Yeah, can I have your, let's see, honey mustard and the Polynesian?
Honey mustard and Polynesian, okay?
Yeah. And mayonnaise. Mayonnaise and ketchup.
Anything else?
On that order, no, that's all.
On that order would be it.
Yes.
It'd be it, right, ma'am? Okay.
Yes.
And for the second one?
Second order, okay.
Can I get what is number 4? Chicken strips?
It's a chicken strip. So you
I
want
want
the
number
3 count?
4.
3 count?
Yeah.
Can we have a number 4, but the 3 count?
Yes, ma'am.
You want them spicy?
Yes.
Spicy.
The meal?
And I want mac and cheese.
Yes, the meal. But can he substitute the, for the fries, can he have mac and cheese or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Okay, anything else?
That's a 3 count, right?
It's a meal?
Yes.
Then she didn't ask
I'm
what kind
sorry,
of
I
drink I
didn't
want.
hear you.
Oh, on the drink, what do you want?
Sprite.
Sprite.
A Sprite? Okay.
Yes.
Anything else?
Do you want saucy stuff?
Yeah, the honey mustard.
Condiments?
Can we have honey mustard and the Chick-fil-A sauce?
And ketchup.
Okay, anything else?
Ketchup.
Can I have a name for the order?
Name is Jared.
Okay, it'd be $19.19 at the window. For the first one, just to confirm your order, it'd be a 3-count strip, just the entree. A number 1 meal with a sweet tea with honey mustard and Polynesian sauce. And for the second order, it would be a 3-count strip with a Sprite and substituting the fries for mac and cheese and honey mustard, correct?
Correct.
Okay, for this first order, it would be $10.82, and for the second one, it would be $8.37, okay?
Okay, thank you. Tired and all, but I think.
The 2 separate orders?
Yes.
Damn, I can't
First
focus.
one's gonna be the 3 strips with number 1 with the sweet tea.
Yes.
It's gonna be $10.82.
So I'll just scan this again for yours.
The second order is gonna be 3 strips with a mac and cheese and a Sprite. Thank you. I'll be right up.
So this will be yours. That's mine. And this will be yours.
Do you need this thing or
No,
no?
I don't need
Which one's mine?
you got a spread.
That one?
And then you took it out. Did you lose money?
We're just waiting on the second one.
Okay. Oh, I didn't get ketchup. Mayo or ketchup in mine?
You want mayo
No, I didn't get anything either.
We didn't get, well, we can share. That's fine. Thank you. Yes.
Have a good day, man.
Okay. He's honking.
I don't know, but this is what you do.
What do you want me? I like shaving myself.
This mac and cheese is really good. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till you park, cause you know they have the weekends off. I think it's Sundays off. I mean,
Yeah.
for church.
They're kind of, yeah, exactly. Ryan told me that they hire felons, so not wrong.
Without any antibiotics ever. You see that?
Oh, it says that?
Yeah, look.
Awesome.
It's not as bad as I thought it was, because I started eating here when I went to Houston, and it's pretty good.
But if you ever eat Cane's, it's just as good.
Yeah, I have been there before. Oh, it is hot.
I was like, what if I don't like it? But usually everything at Chick-fil-A is good. I'm still gonna try it.
Yeah. This is so hot.
Mm-hmm.
But it's good though. Guys, I'm here at the place again on, I don't know. I always get the little burgers here. Push this button. It's like a Taco Bell button. We got nachos. This is what I'm gonna get. This is what I usually get when I come here. It's like a combo burger combo. I don't know if anybody's here. I'm gonna have to leave. I see somebody in there. Can I get a combo?
With everything?
Yes.
What else?
Can I get ice cream? Like ice cream cone? Thanks.
The dollar?
Yes.
What else?
That's it. Here's a little white dog. And I just ordered right now also for my mom. I said, what do you want to get something? She said, corn in a cup. So I also got that for coming. So this is the blue ice cream cone with vanilla ice cream. Last time I had this ice cream, it was pretty good, so still pretty good. Yeah, this is good. Spicy nachos. And then this is the last, like the only one that left Pepsi, so that's why the girl was like, you want Pepsi? That's all we had. Well, I guess so. Oh yeah, this looks good. Rich and creamy on the schnishny schnippens. Schniddle schnips. I ate too much in a day. It's good though.